Right. So Kadena, it has been rejected on this sideways movement. I've actually talked about Kadena in yesterday's video. So you can already see it's a pretty much sideways movement at the current situation. Went to the upside, got rejected some few times right there, came down, make support right over here, went up, make another rejection right over there. Actually came down here and then bounce off. So the lowest you will go for Kadena at the moment is down again to this trend line, which is going to be 1.4720, and perhaps again move to the upside and finally break it out and then come up to this price target of 2.33 something dollars, right? And that's it, simple put. There's nothing else to talk about in here because we really need to determine the break to the upside. Now, do keep in mind if you break and lose this level, then you're going to be moving lower to maybe 1.18 as well. So it's all about the break. It's a tug of war between the buyers and sellers. Sellers push it down, buyers push it back up. Sellers push it down, buyers push it up, and then sellers push it out again. Who knows? Buyers push it up, and then they win the battle, and then it starts to move even higher. So that's it for this Cardano. Let's move on to the next coin, which is going to be Cardano.